Hello YouTube, welcome back to another one of my videos here. Today we're going to go ahead and look at how to uninstall the Windows 10 pre-installed apps. Now whenever you go ahead and install the Windows 10 operating system, there's a lot of apps that go ahead and get installed by default. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and show you how to get rid of that today. Okay, alright, first thing you're going to do, you're going to go ahead and type that in your browser. Okay, whether you're using Google or Firefox or Brave, whatever you're using, go ahead and type that in, Windows 10 Apps Manager, and it's going to be the first one. This is made by the Windows Club. Okay, go ahead and go into that website right there, then come down and go ahead and hit that download file right there, and it's going to bring you this, it's going to bring you into this WinRAR file right there. So just go ahead and right click, extract it. There you go. And then once you're in the folder, go ahead and execute the application there. And this is what it's going to give you right here. This is the Windows 10 Apps Manager app. Okay, as you can see, it has all of these apps right here. We hardly even use, probably, I can guarantee you that 90% of you guys probably only use like one or two. Like the calculator, okay, that one can stay. Camera, definitely. The food, I mean, I personally don't use it. So let's say you want to go ahead, you can go ahead and uninstall all of them at once, but I really don't recommend this. Before you do this, it's very important, go ahead and create a restore point. Okay, you know, just in case something goes wrong, you can definitely go ahead and go back to that point, okay, when everything was working. Okay, so let's say I'm gonna go ahead and uninstall the food app. Okay, so just go ahead and click on it. It's gonna go ahead and you're gonna see this pop-up right here. It's gonna ask you, are you sure you want to go ahead and uninstall this app? Go ahead and click yes. Alright, that's that. Probably phone, I'll go ahead and get rid of that one too. Let's say sports, I'll go ahead and get rid of that one too. Travel, you know, you can go ahead and do one of them at a time, or you can go ahead and get rid of them. Okay, so this is definitely going to go ahead and make a lot of difference. It's going to go ahead and speed up your computer, because all of these apps right here, sometimes they're running processes in the background, and it will definitely slow down your computer. So you definitely want to go ahead and look at that. Okay, so that's going to be it for this one. Really quick tutorial, and it's going to definitely make a difference. It's going to go ahead and speed up your computer drastically, I can guarantee you. So go ahead and download the application, run it, and you'll be good to go. Okay, so that's it for this one right here. Thanks a lot for watching. I'll see you in the next tutorial.